Welcome to our presentation on Actreg Actuators, a leading manufacturer of high-quality and reliable valve actuators designed for the most demanding applications. With over 30 years of experience, Actreg specializes in delivering exceptional products supported by worldwide site and after-sales support, along with extensive product warranties. Let's explore the key features that make Actreg Actuators the preferred choice. Versatile mounting options. Actreg actuators are designed with NAMA mounting, VDE VDI 3845, ensuring easy integration with additional ancillary products such as solenoid valves and valve position monitors. This flexibility allows seamless customization to suit your specific application or operational needs. Full traceability and cross-referencing. Each Actreg actuator is assigned a unique serial number, ensuring full traceability back to the factory. This meticulous tracking enables efficient maintenance and servicing. Furthermore, all assemblies performed by Actuation Valve in-house are documented in a detailed build sheet format, cross-referencing the serial number with accompanying valves and accessories. High-strength, lightweight design. Actreg actuators feature a robust aluminium construction that optimizes strength while reducing overall material weight. This lightweight design not only ensures superior performance but also reduces stress on supporting structures and products, enhancing overall efficiency. Comprehensive position monitoring. Compatible with the Actreg actuator, Actuation Valve work closely with TopWorx, a world-leading manufacturer at the forefront of innovation and development for valve controllers and position sensors to the petrochemical, oil and gas, chemical and power industries. The wide specifications and designs for the high-performance TopWorx switchbox enable the products to be used in any hazardous location, anywhere in the world. Bringing reliability, flexibility, and standardization to a once complicated sourcing of equipment for major global companies, enable the products to be used in any hazardous location, anywhere in the world. Bringing reliability, flexibility, and standardization to a once complicated sourcing of equipment for major global companies. Easy integration and mounting. Actreg actuators are designed with a compact and simple yet effective design, allowing for easy integration into both new and existing systems. The actuators offer direct mount capabilities, and simple mounting kit assemblies can be provided to ensure a perfect fit with your valve. Conformance to standards. The Actreg pneumatic actuator is manufactured according to ISO 5211 standards. It features a star drive that enables straightforward direct mounting to valve spindles or output shafts, simplifying the conversion from electric to pneumatic systems if needed. Customizable options. Actreg actuators are built to cater to diverse application requirements. With a wide variety of materials and coating options available, you can specify alternate coatings that best suit your application needs. The actuators combine quality components, designed and tested by field experts, ensuring reliable performance over the long term, all at a competitive price point. In conclusion, Actreg actuators stand as a reliable choice for demanding applications, offering exceptional quality, traceability, and a wide range of customizable options. With Actreg, you can trust in the performance and longevity of your valve actuators. Thank you for your attention. We are now open to any questions you may have.